Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Today I'm super excited because I am going to be finally unveiling these mystery pins. These have been out for a while, that's why I was able to get them, because they were at a super discount recently. And you could tell that they are specifically came out with this style here with the marigold and like the, I don't know, I thought I would enjoy, of course it's Coco, I love Coco. And I don't know, I just personally I don't like the muted colors. I don't like how it's like dingy looking. I don't know, I just didn't really care for it. But what I do care for is these papel picados. So I do collect Coco pins, so I'm hoping that I can get some. There's two to a pack. The ones I'm really looking for is for Miguel and Ernesto de la Cruz and Dante, and I think that's Pepita there. So they're all cool. In a perfect world, I would get no dupes. I'm not going to jinx myself, but I also have not had the best luck with blind boxes when it comes. So please send me all the positive energy for this unboxing. I have 5 in total, so there are 8, so I have a total of 10. So yeah, let's see what happens. Alright, this is from the first box. Again, not the most fortunate when it comes to these, but we'll see what happens. But this is gonna be my very first new one, so we gotta take our wins where we can. And this one is, if I can get this through. Okay, you got Hector. Oh my gosh, it's almost kind of hard to tell who these characters were just because of the outline of it. But the guitar helped me out. But I love this, the complementary colors, the blue and the orange, and these are great size pins. So then here's the back, the waffling. We'll love to see that. But yeah, so our first one was Hector. Alright, and here's the second one from box number 1, and we have... That's a new one! Oh, we have... Yes! Ernesto de la Cruz! Oh my gosh. And in my favorite color, green. How dare they? But how wonderful is he? So as you can see side by side, it's just gorge. Love. I have no regrets. Okay, box number 2. There's tape on these. What's up with that? Okay. Shake it off like a dog. Who knows that reference? Comment down below. And we have a new one. Praise be. It's Dante. Oh my gosh, yes. Love. I love this purple. He's such a little goof. Gorge. Love. Okay. This is the part of the video where I get nervous. Okay. This is the second one. I don't know where my scissors are. Ugh, suffering. Oh, you guys saw it already, but we got another Ernesto de la Cruz. Okay, 3 out of 4 isn't bad. Okay, here are the next 2. Okay, box number 3. So, where are my scissors? I'm so weak. Okay, and we have, you're gonna see it first. It's new. Oh, it's Abuelita Coco. Yes, go for it. You go, Glen Coco. But it's not Glen Coco. It's just Coco. Okay, obviously that was a Mean Girls reference. Okay.
For you, Glen Coco. You go, Glen Coco.
But anyhow, beautiful. Love it. Love the detail. So gorgeous. Love her hair. Yes. Yes, we have Mama Coco. So the second one, and it's ball. Another Hector. Okay, 1 of 2 of box number 4. Here we go. Ugh. Just gotta get into it. I'm erasing. No! Yes! Yes, Mama Imelda! I hope to God that's her name. Yes, you and that double box. She was great. Wonderful. She came around. She came around. Alright. Okay, come on, Miguel. Miguel or Pepita? Who are you? We have another Mama Coco. Oh, last box. Please, I just need Miguel. I don't care if I get anything else. I just want Miguel. Please, please, please. We have another Mama Coco. Okay. Ugh. Y'all, I was hoping, I was praying. Got another Hector. So the fact that I had 5 unique ones out of 10, 50-50, I'll take it. Not the best, but I am so happy because I got my boy Dante. So yes, if you have a extra Miguel out there, I will be on the hunt. That's for sure. My top pin out of the set would be the ones I got is Dante. He's just so adorable. He's so cute. But these are gorgeous. I love them. I can't wait to add them to my pin board. I do have a small Coco pin collection. Again, I love Coco. I will continue to collect Coco in the future. And if these are still on sale, I might pick up some more because I really want that Miguel. I really want Miguel. It would just be great. It would be great to have the whole set. But again, 50-50, not bad. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Do you have any of these pins? Please let me know. I know it's an old set, so who knows? Maybe I might be able to trade. Maybe not. I don't really have a lot of traders. For me, I don't really do blind boxes because I don't have dupes, or I don't feel I have duplicates people want. I am not looking for profit. I'm just gonna take it as is, and I will be gifting any of these away. So if you like any of these duplicates, please let me know. Please DM me on Instagram here, and I will be more than happy to send them your way. Be safe. Tell somebody that you love them because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.